At Netmera, we focus on improving your customer engagement and satisfaction. So just like in physical stores, you can help your online customers with widgets. Hello there, my name is Ecem and I'm a product owner in Netmera. And in this video, I will try my best to tell you how to create a widget in Netmera platform. I hope you will find this useful. So now we're in the first step, customizing our widgets. For this, I choose Design Widget tool. In this step, I have to give in the necessary information for my widget for reporting screens. Then I decide on its type, button color, button places, etc. And then I continue with this designing tool. On the left column, you can see all the different options that you can choose from, like the text, image input, button groups, or spin to win elements, and so on. So on the right column, you can choose the editing tools that you are using for giving your designs a better touch. As you can see, I'm moving its places or I'm adding other elements to my widgets. You can make use of anything that you want from here. And with these tools, you can just create whatever you need for your customers. In this widget, I'm creating a survey, an imaginary survey. That's why I'm adding some text, emoji buttons, and then buttons. And it's because there are two options that you can choose to collect events from your users. One is the images, and the other one is the buttons on your widgets. And as you can understand, for this purpose, I need to go and create some new events that I can track within this widget. Here we are in developers events. I'm giving my event a name corresponding with the widget that I'm using. And after that, I create an attribute called score because my goal is to collect score ratings. And then I save and generate the event for my widget. For the third step, I'm adding click actions and events to my widget. I go back to my widget and click on my button group and click on the identifier for it. Then I add one action as fire event. I choose the event type that I created before and I match it with the score rating identifier so that I can collect my events from this 1 to 5 numbering scale. You can add as much as click actions to your buttons or images. Now we are in step 4, publishing widgets. For this, I go to Web Tools, Widget, Publish Widget. I give it a name and choose what I want to publish. I can set triggers and filters, for example, 15% of scroll ratio and browser type as Chrome and Safari. Then I decide on my show settings, for example, later, instantly, multiple times, or only once, and I can also schedule it. Then I check my design, decide on where it's gonna be on the website, and launch it if I like it. And now we will continue with the fun part, monitoring your widget results. For this, we go to Analytics, Event Insight, and we type in the event we created before. We click on Find, and the results will be shown to you. You can see the scores that you have collected so far. You can also export these reports for further analysis. Now let's create a spin to win together. From the left column, you can drag and drop your spin to win element into your widget. After clicking the settings, I start customizing my spin to win by choosing its colors, slice name, win result, coupon code, and gravity or weight numbers. Then I decide on the win screen and click OK. If I want to add a background, I click on the HTML code and simply transfer my HTML for my spin to win. In conclusion, widgets are excellent tools for boosting your online customer engagement and satisfaction. Thank you for exploring this tutorial, and I look forward to our next session.